Magnets have a superpower, an invisible force field surrounding them. You cannot see it, you cannot touch it, but with iron filings in this tube, we can make the invisible visible. The iron filings inside the tube are magnetic particles. When a magnet comes near, they align themselves along the magnetic field lines that curve from North Pole to South Pole. Close to the poles, the lines are dense. The field is strong. Farther away, they spread out. The field weakens. The filings are drawing a map of the invisible field. Oil and water. Shake it, stir it, do whatever you like. They refuse to mix, always. Two liquids, one jar, and the most stubborn relationship in chemistry. Water molecules are polar. They have a positive end and a negative end. They are strongly attracted to each other. Oil molecules are non-polar. No positive, no negative sides. Water molecules ignore oil completely and stick together. Oil floats on top because it is also less dense than water. Two different worlds, living in the same jar, never touching. Two experiments. Two invisible forces made visible. Magnetic fields we cannot see, but iron filings reveal their shape. Molecular attraction we cannot see, but oil and water show us the result. Science is the art of making the invisible visible. And today, you saw two invisible things at once. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 749-8989-292, because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.